We will share the first signs when a window regulator is about to fail. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you trying to find out the symptoms of bad window regulator on a car. Most cars nowadays, they have power windows, automatic windows guys. You don't have the manual windows we used to have back in the day. Okay, we just have the push button windows nowadays, and we'll explain what can easily break. What are the first signs of a failing window regulator? Do not ignore those, because if it fails, you will practically be stuck in the middle of nowhere and you will not be able guys to put your window up and down. Okay, and let's say it starts raining, okay, you may not be able to drive your car. So all that guys will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On BMWs, we'll have more than 1000 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. You can see we got another one to work on here recently as well. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's start on it now. So what do we have specifically here? BMW, but many cars will actually use exactly the same design. Let's talk about that now guys. Okay, the signs of a bad window, symptoms of bad window regulator, signs of bad window regulator, and what fails. This is the window regulator. Let me flip it actually the other way, okay? It needs to be that way and this thing needs to be this way, so I can show you how things function. Now, if you look at that regulator guys, okay, you're going to have two rails on most modern cars. On the front windows you have two, on the rear one sometimes you may have one single one. The purpose of that regulator, you can see it has cables that go up and down. Practically it brings the window on both sides up and down at the same time. That left rail will be attached right here this way, the right rail will be attached right here. When they first start failing guys, usually plastic wheels like these ones right here will be the ones that will crack, or they'll be too dry. The cable will put wear and tear in them because they didn't have grease, and as a result they will crack and you'll start hearing popping, clicking noise from the window when you roll it up, especially when it goes up. When it goes down, it's gravity pulls it down, so it's not so bad, but when you roll it up, it has more tension on these cables, and if you start clicking, hearing clicking, popping guys, it could be a sign that you have a failing window regulator. Now at that point, I'll recommend to inspect everything before driving the vehicle, because that can lead guys to a situation where you cannot roll your window up. What are the symptoms of bad window regulator? You may hear strange noises coming from the door when you roll the window up or down. You may not be able to close your window all the way up. You may have a hard time bringing the window down. Or guys, okay, you may not be able to move the window at all. In some cases it could be a bad window motor. We have a video on the channel that explains how to replace window regulator, how to test window motor and all that stuff, so you know what it is. But usually where they break, these plastic wheels right here in the corners break often. And another thing, it breaks right here where the cable is attached to that plastic holder here that moves on the rail. So lubricate once in a while, put grease on the wheels, on each of these wheels. 4 wheels usually you will have. Put some grease on that rail where the window will go up and down, so it will go nice and smoothly up. That way the window regulator will not have any tension. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.